In this video, I'll guide you through how to request time off in Gusto. Whether you're planning a vacation or need a personal day, knowing how to efficiently request time off is an essential skill. Gusto makes this process straightforward and user-friendly, so let's walk through it together. First, you'll need to head over to gusto.com. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all the features. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Here, you want to click on Time and Attendance. This will lead you into the section where you can manage all things related to time tracking and attendance. Next, find and click on the Time Off option. This section is dedicated to anything involving time away from work, whether it's vacation days, sick leave, or any other type of absence. Clicking here will bring you to a new page where you can manage your time off request. Once you're on the time off page, look for the Record Time button. This button is your gateway to submitting a new request. Clicking on it will open up a form where you can provide specific details about your request. Now, it's time to fill in the details. You'll see fields to select the employee for whom you're requesting time off. If you're managing multiple employees, make sure to choose the right person. Then, select the appropriate policy. Gusto will present you with different options depending on your company's available policies, such as vacation or sick leave. The next step is to select the dates you're requesting off. Carefully pick the start and end dates to ensure they align with your plans. Double-check these details to avoid any need for corrections later on. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary information and reviewed it for accuracy, you'll want to click on Record Time Off. This will submit your request for approval. Gusto will handle the rest, ensuring that your request is sent to the appropriate person or department for review. And that's it! You've successfully submitted a time off request in Gusto. Remember, it's always a good idea to follow up with your manager or HR department to ensure your request is processed in a timely manner. Gusto makes it easy to manage your time off with just a few clicks. By following these steps, you can efficiently request the time you need to relax and recharge. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips on using Gusto and managing your workplace efficiently.